Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert an HEIC file to a JPG. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and search for HEIC to JPG. Click here and once you are on the website, click on the plus icon to add your photos or drag and drop it. You can also add multiple files at one time. Locate and select the HEIC file and open it. After uploading the photo, you can preview here. To download the photo, click on this download icon. If you have more than one photos, then click here. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.